I have created a MD file, markdown file for my mega project of workflow, bottleneck, direction and resource optimization using prediction analysis for enterprises IT services like company like TCS and Infosys. In this I have wrote down what we will stimulate, like project scope, objective, key matrices, KPIs and the final take what we are using, like which tool we are using, the layers, everything I wrote down in the markdown file. So next, now I have created workflow optimization predictive analysis repository. Let me open it for you. So here it opens, like I created folders name with documents, data, model, notebook, Power BI and SQL, and our readme file that I have already shown you. The readme file and all the stuff is here, as you can see. Now I'll fill the data inside it and show you the next steps. Now I have created new database. You can see workflow analysis and added table like cross-cutting table, delays, employee skill, project, resource allocation, skill, task and time log with the query. As you can see here, the full query is here. All the tables are created. Now I will fill the data inside it, or okay, then I have alter table, like drop all the foreign keys from tables like resource allocation, time logs and delay. I have dropped foreign keys because I have to add auto increment in some tables like task, delays, so that's why I have dropped foreign keys. Then again, after modifying tables like adding auto increment, then again I added foreign keys back like it was before. Now I have added more data in the task field, like project ID, task name, required skill, estimated hours, actual hours, deadline and the status. Like you can see here, the data 201 data extraction by using SQL, skill required is SQL, it is time, given the time, and the status like completed, delayed, all here the data. You can see the lot of data here. Then we will jump to the next step. I have added data into the resource allocation table like employee ID, task ID, allocated hours and utilization PCD values, as you can see, and I will show you the table. Here you can see allocation ID, employee ID, allocation task ID, which task we have given, and allocated hours. Here are the data. I created SQL folder here. If you open, you can see all the queries. I have saved all the queries in different SQL file, and now I'm going to upload this on GitHub. Let me show you. You can see here we have a workflow optimization analysis file where we have stored different folders. As you can see our SQL. Let me show you. Yeah, here it is. All the required files are there. Like, let me show you. Table creation file is here with proper SQL queries. And now, as you can see, I write some query to select all the data, all the tables. Here are the tables: the task table, resource table, delays table and employee table. And now I'm exporting I have already exported this, as you can see here, into the CSV files: employee, delay, resource allocation and task. Those 4 tables exported in CSV file from SQL Server. I have added those employee, delays, resource allocation and task table or the data into the Power BI. Let me show you. Here it is. You can see here the tasks are here, the resource allocations, the employee and the delays, all the tables, all the data I put in the Power BI. Now you can see here I have delay table, which contains the reason why the delay days, and the employee table that shows name, role, their skill level, their experience and their hourly cost. Then we have the project section that show the delay and smart delay. Then we have resource allocation table. It shows a resource allocation ID, employee ID, task ID, allocated hours and completed hours. Then we have task, like each project have many tasks, like 1 or 2 tasks, and the required skill, estimated hour and actual hour that needs them, and the deadline and completion date and the status or the completion status. And then I have created 4 pages. Like, this is the first executive overview page, and this is the predictive analysis page. This is third resource optimization page, and there is 4th workflow bottleneck page. There are 4 pages I made. The first page contains the overall stuff, like for executive purpose, like a project, actual cost and planned cost, project delay, project ID, estimate workload and actual workload, all the details. This is some light of like a business perspective. And the predictive analysis contains the skill levels, predicted delay risk, actual hours by month. Then we have resource optimization. Here we can see, we can click here, it's fully interactive. We can see Neha Roy, which have a role of QA engineer. Task is migration validation, the project ID, and utilization 137, means it is we give her more resources than it actually needs. Then we can go to Ravi Kumar. Ravi Kumar is a BI developer. His task was to Power BI dashboard. The project ID was 202. The resource allocation is 96. Only the 4 is less there. And this is how our the fourth one, this shows the actual hours and the estimated hour. You can see here the actual hour and the estimated hour. The actual hours are like in the light blue, and the dark blue contains estimated hours. You can see on the higher side, you can see the actual hours are higher than the estimated hour, and on the small projects you can see the actual hours are nearly less than the estimated hours. So you can estimate that the big project need more time, and the small project get a faster delivery chances. And this is how our 4 dashboard table was created. In here we can see the data. These are all tables, and we have created some measures here. Let me show you some measures in delay table. Here you can see those are the measures: actual cost, actual resources, delay task. These are the measures we have created there, and this is how our dashboard looks like. Let's go to the VS Code now. I have made a web. Here you can see the actual code of web, HTML, CSS inside the one file. Let me open this in live server and show you. This is our AI driven workflow optimization and delay prediction platform, where I show the dashboard with the embedding to the Power BI. The 4 pages here on the web. You can see that the actual 4 pages, and this is totally interactive. As let me show you. Here you can see it's totally interactive, and you can see the architecture below. This is the architecture that I have used. Like first I use data source, then get to the SQL and do some ML models. Then I came to the Power BI, and from Power BI, from making dashboard to the web interface. This is the web interface. You can download actual case study from here, as you can see, which I have already uploaded on GitHub. As you can see the case study. Okay, so now let's go to the repositories, and I'll show you the main repository. Here is workflow optimization, a live dashboard, and the predictive analysis repository. Let me open it for you. Here you can see the full repository. First I will show the SQL code. All the SQL queries are here. You can see there is a screenshot here. All the queries screenshot. Not only the screenshot, we have also the queries. Here you can see the queries. We have all the queries that we have used. Okay, then after showing you the query, here is the Power BI, the file. You can also download the file and check it out. Also we have the notebook which we used. Here is the notebook which you have used, like all the Python programming and all the things we have did here is here. And we have the actual data, like a process data here. All the files, CSV file, like delays, employee, resource allocation, task. And we have also the case study that I have already shown you here. This is the whole case study. All the data was available on our repository. Workflow optimization, predictive analysis, the repository is here. And here is the readme file, which you can see the project overview, all the things about project. It's one screenshot of a dashboard, project dashboard preview, and that's it.